Good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there? Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors, and this is day 2 right here in Los Alamitos, better known as Rossmoor over here. But let me take you guys inside. We got a lot done yesterday. Everything pretty much sanded down. They really loved the natural color when I did the sample, so they were gonna go with a natural with a Loba Invisible. This stuff is the Invisible 2K Invisible by a company called Loba. They're awesome. They make one of the best products out there. And this has no sheen. It just looks like the raw wood. So very beautiful finish on there. And let me go ahead and turn this thing around, show you guys what we got. Trailer. Take you guys through the back just so that it show, all the progress of everything. But yeah, what a difference from yesterday. Remember yesterday it kind of had that yellow finish slash orange kind of look. So go ahead and take a look at that. So there you go. There's a good example. That's the original color of the floor. So you take you through right here. So, like I said, sanding's done for the most part. Sanding's done. We just got to start doing the fine details on this. So do another video.